Hello everybody. Before starting today's class, first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Raksha Bandhan, those who are attending video lecture. Today, I'll be teaching you omission of the definite article, means where the definite article the is not used. So, let's get started. Have a look at the board. The is not used before the names of languages, games and abstract nouns. Where the is not used before the names of languages. What are languages? For example, Hindi, Marathi, Sanskrit, English, Urdu, Arabic, French, etc. These are all few examples of languages. So before these languages, we can't use definite article the. Here is example. I am learning to speak Marathi. I am learning to speak the Marathi we can't use. Next, he studied French for 3 years. He studied the French we can't say, we can't use. Clear? So before languages we can't use definite article the, and not only languages but also before subjects we can't use definite article. Yes, before subject as well we can't use definite article. In your textbook not mentioned, I am giving you extra information knowledge. Before subjects, for example mathematics, the mathematics we can't say, the physics, the chemistry, the biology, the SS or the social science, before subject's name as well we can't use definite article the. Let's move. The is not used before the names of games. For example, the hockey, the cricket, the football, the tennis. Before such games we can't use definite article the. Here is example. He plays basketball. Enough. He plays the basketball not. She likes to play tennis. She likes to play the tennis is wrong. And the is not used before abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? We have already learned in our previous classes, video lectures. Honesty, wisdom, darkness, hungry, happiness, sadness, etc. Examples of abstract nouns. Before them we can't use a definite article the. Here is example. People fear darkness. Darkness. What is darkness? Abstract noun. People fear the darkness not. Next. Kindness should be rewarded. What is kindness? Abstract noun. Before abstract noun we can't use definite article the. The kindness is wrong. Do you understand? Let us see next where the definite article the is not used. The is not used before the names of meals, before the names of material nouns, before the names of uncountable nouns, before the names of planets. The is not used before names of meals. For example, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. are names of meals. Before them we can't use definite article the. We can't say the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner. Here is example. We had oats for breakfast. We can't say here we had oats for the breakfast is wrong. Next, the is not used before uncountable nouns and before material nouns. Here is example. This ring is made of gold. What is gold? Material noun. So before gold we can't use definite article the. The gold, the silver, the iron is wrong. And before uncountable noun, flour is produced from wheat. What is flour? Uncountable noun. What is wheat? Uncountable noun. Before them we can't use definite article the. Next, the is not used before the names of planets. The spaceship landed on Mars. So before the names of planets, we can't use the. On Mars. What is on? On is a preposition. The spaceship landed the Mars, we can't use. Do you understand? That's all for today.